Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial is all about creating a drop-down menu in Webflow. If you've ever wondered how to make your navigation bar a little bit more interactive, or just want to keep your site looking clean and organized, adding a drop-down menu is a fantastic way to do it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set one up step by step, and you'll be able to customize it for your own site, whether it's for a portfolio, business, or personal blog. Let's jump in and get started. First things first, I'm assuming you already have a Navbar set up inside your Webflow project. If not, definitely take a moment to add one so we're on the same page. Now in your Navigator panel, which you'll find on the left side of your Webflow designer, look for the contact element within your navbar. This is just an example. Your navbar might have different links, but the process is the same no matter which item you pick. Our goal here is to add a dropdown next to one of these existing links, so contact is a perfect candidate. Next, go ahead and click on the contact link in the Navigator. When it's selected, you're going to use a really handy Webflow shortcut that makes adding new elements a breeze. Just press Alt+E on your keyboard. This opens up the Add Elements search box. Think of it like a little command center where you can add nearly anything to your site without having to hunt through panels. In that search box, start typing dropdown. As you type, you'll see Webflow filter the results for you. Once you see the dropdown component, go ahead and click on it. Webflow will instantly add a new dropdown element right beside the contact link in your navbar. Sometimes you might need to double check the placement. If it's not exactly where you want it, don't stress. You can always drag it into position later, but if you follow these steps, it should show up in line with your other navbar links. Now let's make it a bit more personal by changing the name of the dropdown. Right now it probably just says dropdown, which is pretty generic. Click directly on the dropdown label so you can edit the text. Let's call it menu, or feel free to use any label that makes sense for your site like services or more. Giving your dropdown a clear, intuitive name helps your visitors understand what they'll find when they hover over or click it. Simple, but really important for user experience. Alright, now for my favorite part, testing it out. Hit preview, which is that little eye icon at the top. This lets you interact with your layout just like a user would on your live website. Open up your new dropdown and check out how it feels. Try clicking on it and see how the links inside appear. Maybe test it on different devices too to make sure it looks good on mobile and desktop. If something feels off, don't worry. You can always tweak the design or adjust the contents inside the dropdown panel. And there you have it, a shiny new dropdown menu ready to help your visitors navigate your site with ease. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions about dropdowns, navbars, or anything else in Webflow, just drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.